Matigas oh. Lagi ngayon.
Snorlax. Cute pa naman niya. Okay.
Okay.
And the final.
Ano naman ako?
5-3. Never get something good like that thing. See? It's just a sheep.
Wait lang. Isa pa.
No, my turn. Okay, let's start this. Pangit ng gagawin mo. You'll never get something good, bitch.
Pinatun mo.
Let's see. So, yes, 100!
Mahina.
Mahina. Ew. 180. Mas malakas.
Tyrannosaurus.
Ako ulit, guys.
Tyrannosaurus. Dinosaur.
Never get something good before.
60. Ano yun? Ito.
Ooh. How is that good?
5, 4, 3,
Nah.
2, 1, go.
That is a free bad luck. Same kayo. Okay. Wait. Okay. That's it. Boing. 70.
Bulok si Clark.
Anymore. Not that one.
Go.
You will never get some.
70.
Same. Puro ka good. Never get something good.
Kala ko Pikachu. 5,
Go.
4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Counting is bad. Pares tayong tatlo 70. Okay.
Or 180.
Oh, yes! Fun to get something good.
Pangit.
Money. Karma is real.
Yeah, na-karma ko tuloy. Karmas is
Oh! See, told you karma is real.
Ikaw din naman ako.
Karma is real. Ako ng time mo. Tingnan mo, wala ng time si... Ano?
Gladio.
Karma kasi. Karma.
Ang karma.
8.